Sensing Systems provides precision measurement products and services through cutting-edge engineering and technologies. Our engineers and technicians have over 100 years of accumulated laboratory and field experience with strain gauge applications ranging from mundane to challenging to extremely complex. We have applied strain gauges to parts and equipment that operate in the deepest depths of the Earth's crust to our furthest reaches of space. The more extreme the environment, the more our expertise can make your project a success. We serve all industries where custom load and torque measurement products are required, including load cells, torque sensors, calibration equipment, instrumentation, and electronics. Sensing Systems also provides engineering, testing, force measurement, and torque measurement services in-house and on location at customers' facilities. Over the years, we have developed unique and innovative products, methods, and procedures to design, build, install, and operate strain gauge sensors under the most challenging environments. If you need precision force and torque measurements, please contact us today. One of our engineers will take the time to consult with you on your project, provide feedback, insight, and answer any questions that you may have.